In Sales Navigator, if you haven't used the Spotlights search feature yet, then you might be pleasantly surprised. Can be pretty helpful to find key pieces of information. So let's take a look at that. What you're seeing here is you go to the home page, right? And then you click the lead filters. And down here in the bottom is the Spotlights feature. Now it's going to be all Sales Navigator, so you might need to refine another way. One thing I would do sometimes is I look at my first degree connections, and then I go down to the Spotlights and choose changed jobs in the last 90 days. So I can see 127 people that I'm connected with have changed jobs. Maybe they're now at a similar company that is now a target company. Could be an opportunity. This works for most companies, right? If you've got a good set of connections and they've moved to a competitor of theirs or just another company, and they might be typically working in the same industry. So that may be a target account. And depending on how soon they've moved, right? If they've just moved, you probably don't want to hit them up right away because they're still getting their feet wet. But once they're in there, 60 days, they're probably looking at making some changes. Good opportunity to reach out. Lots of other things to play with in here too. You can, look at, you get the posted in LinkedIn, but shared experience, following your company, right? That's a nice one. Like people that are actually, following me, I can look here, past colleagues, viewed profile in the last 76 days. So there's some others, but I think the most effective one here is the changed jobs in the last 90 days. They're always updating Sales Navigator, by the way. So just pop in and play around once in a while. And then when you do find a search you like, right, you can save it, and it allows you to name it, and it'll refresh every time. So it's always a live search. So just name it appropriately and you can pull that one up. I hope that helps.